My name is Yi Tang. I am a natural therapist. My job is to help patients who need better health care. I use alternative medicine to treat disease to help these patients. Alternative medicine is used to treat many diseases, disorders, or injuries. Today, I'm going to do let you know alternative medicine treated MS. What is MS? MS is a central nervous system disease. They call multiple sclerosis. MS has many symptoms. One symptom is eye vision disorder. The eye vision could be double vision, blurred vision, or loose vision. Two symptoms is tingling, numbness, or pain. Three symptoms is spasm or nerve pain. Four symptoms is difficult walking, balance problem, or muscles weakness. Five, the symptom is difficult to control urination and bowel movement. Six symptoms is fatigue. That means patient feel tired, always feel tired, even rest, still feel tired. Seven group symptoms is about difficult memory problem, attention problem, or partial inflammation problem. MS patient could have some of this group of symptoms or almost this symptom too. That very depend person to person. Official medicine treat MS. They have some specific therapies. They call disease-modifying therapies. That could be cost $57,000 to $93,000 a year. Even insurance company can cover portion of the expense, but the patient still face to high payment. To they pay co-office visit fee, deductible, and the co-insurance. But use alternative medicine to treat the same disease annually costs about $5,700. That is about 10% of official medical costs, or even less, like 6% official medical service costs. The alternative medicine, this costs including office visits for service and natural therapies. That the cost is hugely different to patient. So patient costs much less use alternative medicine. But a lot of the most important for patient is which way is better health care for patient? Which one can improve the better improvement for patient condition? Today, I'm going to talk about my experience. Use the alternative medicine to help MS patient. A 55 years old lady, she get MS about 33 years ago. She beginning get general medicine treatment many years, then get specific official medicine therapy. They call modified therapy. About 12 years. Because she don't get the improvement. That's why she trying to the alternative medicine. I look at this case. This patient, she in 1980s. She every day have headache. 1991, her eye vision suddenly lose. 6 weeks later, her vision come back, and the headache much less. That's the part of the history. Since that, she beginning feel some tingling, numbness in her leg or foot, comes goes. In 1998, she feel walking was difficult because the leg pain, numbness, weakness. But this time, she just used general medicine treatment, no specific treatment. In 2001, she beginning get the specific treatment in official medicine. That's called disease-modifying therapy. After 7 years injection treatment, this kind of specific treatment, she had no improvement. Then she did try a larger, better drugs treatment for injection treatment. But she still don't feel any improvement. And the whole walking was more difficult. That's why she consented to try alternative medicine. In the 2013, every day she was need help to assist her walking 98% of the time. She went to bed difficult, and stand up, leave the bed difficult too. every night her leg muscles was spasm. At least one time, sometimes could be 3 times a night. So every night, because her leg muscle spasm, wake her up 1 time or 3 times. She had no good night sleeping. That's why she wanted my natural healing office to try alternative medicine. She got regularly weekly office visit and natural therapies. Natural therapy including acupuncture treatment, herbal medicine treatment as a major part. After 2 weeks, natural therapy, she had half week nights, no leg spasm. That she had 2 half-week nights, good night sleeping. After 6 weeks natural therapy, she almost no spasm in night time. Sleeping is good. Only she can feel daytime the food is tingling. In this time, I begin to teach the patient do healing exercise. This time, she feel very difficult, but she did the best as she could. After 10 weeks, natural therapy, she basically feel no spasm in night time. Every night, have good night sleeping 8 to 9 hours. And the daytime spasm is not noticeable. Only the foot is tingling. After 12 visits with natural therapy, basically she feels much, much better. No nighttime spasm, no nighttime pain, sleeping good, 89 hours a night. Daytime only limited food tingling. She did much more healing exercise. At the beginning, she only can do 5 times movement in leg or in foot. So this time she can do 25 times movement in leg or in foot each sit. She get much, much improvement. She, after 12 visits with natural therapy, she was stopped. She told me that the reason she stopped, number one is she come my natural healing office to take a lot of time because she need the driver coming here and in my office, then drive back home. Each time office costs more 4 hours. And her husband feel the time is difficult to send to her driver to come to natural healing office. Second reason is because she feel much better, not too much pain, have good night sleeping. The movement also get some better too, without pain. So that's why she stopped. 11 years later, I called this patient, review her condition. She still keep basically better condition as before the treatment. She still no spasm in nighttime. She basically nighttime sleeping good. And if this patient have more alternative medicine treatment, or early time he get alternative medicine treatment, she would get much more improvement. To review this case, in my opinion, patients have new choice to treat MS. Meaning to treat multiple sclerosis. They have a chance. Patient can get a better health condition by use alternative medicine. If you and your family, your friends who get MS or get multiple sclerosis, the alternative medicine may be very good for you. You have chance to improve your health conditions, reduce the disease. If you want the alternative medicine be a part of your health care, please give me a call. My phone number is 847-492-0939. My phone number is 847-492-0939. I would do my best as I can to help you. I talk to you. This is an opportunity. This is your right and your responsibility. You have a chance to use the alternative medicine to improve your health life. Your decision could make a huge difference for your life. I wish you good luck, better health, and a happy life. And thank you for your watching.